Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase's staking features. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's staking feature, this video is for you. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to use that. So it's gonna be a quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app on your phone, or you can do that on the website using your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, just go to the staking tab, and there you're gonna browse the available staking options. Then once you find the one that you want to use, just choose that, and then you're gonna need to delegate your cryptocurrency to the staking pool. And once that's done, you're gonna earn staking rewards accordingly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's staking feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.